drying, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and do something with this here, because it's touching the flywheel. So when the time the flywheel goes round, the wires are going to touch, and that's no good to no one. So I'm going to try and put a relief in the casing, so it doesn't rub on the wire out. Now for it, eh? A flywheel puller here somewhere. Well done with it. I'll put it in a safe place, so you know. I was going to say, so you know, it's in a safe place. I'm never going to find it. Right, here we go. I've adjusted these so the flywheel ain't touching them anymore, and just going to torque it like that, and it's 50 pounds-feet, 68 Newton meters. There you go, just like that. And you shouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that if I was you. On. And I'm talking to myself. No, you're wrong. Right, let's put the exhaust on, and then I can drop it in.